I don't have an intro yet, but for now, here's a video of the rain.
We're wet. We're going to New York.
I'm tired. New York.
It's way too early. And it's raining. And I'm driving. 1 hour in, it's rainy as f***. 2 hours deep, it's still f***ing raining. 3.5 hours deep, still f***ing raining.
Oh no, that's New York. Wait, what the f?
How you doing, Joe? Jesus Christ, how do you work this f***ing city? There's just nothing I can do. I just don't understand what's going on. Look at what we're working with here. I don't know where we are. I have no idea. I need to get to the left in like a block. This is so stressful.
How you doing there, Hunter? These buses, man.
We're in New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
My PD's like fresh.
What are those? Well, we made it, folks. We're in the city. We just paid $70 for parking. Oh God, it's so loud. And oh look, there's the love sculpture. I love this weather. So we're at Max's hotel right now, waiting for him because he doesn't answer his phone, ever.
Never.
Back me up, it's better not flake. It's just the most New York day ever. It's just really like shit weather. At least it's not cold, it's 60, so I'm like warm, but it's raining like hell. But tomorrow we have between 9 and 1 to do stuff in the good weather, so see how that goes, I guess. We're on the 35th floor. We got off at the wrong floor. We're on 35. No one pays attention what floor you're on when you get off the elevator. It just stops and the door's open and you're just like,
Come here. Oh, we're going to Hugs. Jeez, when you drove.
What's up? Hey,
he makes his debut vlog appearance. What's up?
What's up?
This is Max Blake's. Right
Dude.
here. Yo, Charlie, you won't moon those people in that building over there.
You don't think I won't?
Dude, Max is bougie up here on that 40th floor. Max went to a museum that had an invisible sculpture.
It's like a hole in this like piece of plaster, and you can interpret it however you want.
How'd you interpret it?
Retarded.
Hey, Dad. Can we go see the Rockettes Christmas Spectacular?
Dad. Dad.
I love
Dude, Hunter looks like a complete narc.
NYPD, get on the ground.
We found the tree. Looks really nice in the rain.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
I wonder what their secret is.
You'll see like it's not set by like running and training, but it's set by like.
Max just always talks to people like this, wherever we go. Welcome to Joey's Wildlife Adventures. Today we've spotted a wild Max. See, wild Maxes are famous for loving their mothers very much. That's why he's talking to her right now on the phone. If he heard me, he'd probably turn around and slap me square in the face. But he won't because he's so enamored by his mother's voice. Just a beautiful bond those animals have with each other. It's amazing.
This is mountain warfare, boys. You gotta find a good area of cover. Find cover, clap, clap. Go down, lean up against the rock, make sure your body's completely sealed from the rock. Doesn't matter how wet or
Charlie, you gonna make the climb?
We have an
You
audience.
gonna make the climb?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Charlie's. I can see an accident.
This is how arms get broken.
That's how next is.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Take a swipe, Charlie.
Stop, dude. You're 10 feet away.
This is New York. So we're going to get some pizza from Little Italy. There's a really large selection of pizza places in Little Italy for some reason. I don't know. Yo, look who has been here. That guy who's in every movie ever. The man Will Smith. Chris Rock. Jimmy Fallon. Morgan Freeman. I think I'm probably the most famous though. I don't think Will Smith and Jimmy Fallon can compete with my 43 subscribers. All right, I got the meat lovers and the margarita. What'd you get, Hunter?
I got margarita and Tuscany chicken.
Wow. What'd you get, Charlie?
Fifth grade pizza, baby.
You want to see New York in just a little video? Just, here we
In
are.
a nutshell.
Just eating pizza. It's raining. Weather's not great. Just, yeah. Here we are. Bro. All right, we gotta rate the pizza. On a scale from 1 to Robert De Niro, how good's your pizza, Hunter?
Are you talking to me? I'm
Yeah,
the only
all
one
right.
here, so you must be talking to me.
All right, yeah, it's pretty good. Charlie, on a scale from 1 to Al Pacino, how good's yours?
I have an offer you can't refuse. I'm gonna give you an offer you can't refuse.
Or for me, on a scale from 1 to Super Mario, this would be like a really hot date with Peach. It's really good. It's amazing.
Dude, the sauce. There's something about the sauce.
We're getting lost in the sauce.
Look how beautiful the sauce is. It's like it's not like your Papa John's or something like that. That is like true tomato sauce and fresh basil. Like there's nothing like it.
Hunter can differentiate fresh basil and true tomato sauce, everyone. Just hit him up. He's single. Also, don't ever try to buy tickets on Facebook for anything. We're trying to get tickets to the Knicks game. I was a little suspect of it. The dude blocked me, so minus $20 on the day there. I'm a sucker, I guess. I just, had faith in humanity. That was a mistake. All right, so my friends are hounding me because I said I don't like cannolis because I've had one ever and it was trash. So they're making me get a cannoli.
Don't ever tell an Italian that cannolis are bad.
I'm more Italian than you guys. My great-grandfather came here, bro. All right, then we're the same, you f***. Like, what are you talking about? I know it's hard to believe because of my gingery appearance. Like, I get it, man. Like, I get it. I get it. The texture is just weird to me. It tastes really good. They can be good. You know, you always hear about like in Chinatown, you always get like hounded to buy like fake watches and purses and stuff like that. But like only one lady's asked about a watch. But
Are you hungry? Guys, lunch. Free sangria.
what I was about to say is in Little Italy, they hound you way more to come into the restaurants than anybody who's trying to like sell you a watch. When you walk out of Little Italy and you hit Chinatown, the smell just hits you right in the face. You get hit with chow mein. It's just like right in the mouth. It smells good. I like it. Hey, Bubba Jim, what are these funny pictures saying?
Ching chong, wing chong.
You just can't do that. That one says, buy some medicine, please. That one says, no meat, please. That one says, buy cheap goods. We want you to discount store. That says, keep your money here. Are we just not gonna?
What?
Are we just not gonna talk about this?
All right. Fire.
So now we're in Brooklyn. I don't know what to expect. Fog. You should expect fog. Dude, you just can't see anything. It's so foggy
It
here.
could be worse.
How could it be worse, Charlie?
I mean, it could be lava falling from the sky.
Two differences I've noticed about Brooklyn so far. It looks a lot more like DC than Manhattan, and there are crazy people talking to themselves here, just like in LA. Yeah, we've been waiting in this bathroom for like 15 minutes, and an employee has not come through to wash my hands. And I don't know, what am I supposed to, like, I don't know, am I supposed to use this by myself? We just talked to a dude on the metro for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna try to include what I can. He's just some gems from that guy.
Y'all here in the road time. Come here, summertime. Y'all white boys, you know what I mean? You get a little black chocolate girl, you know, this white boy. I'm telling you. What too? You want to dip your cone with different, sprinkles. Let's just put it like that. Chocolate, rainbow, walnuts, you know what I mean? That's you know what I mean? But
Out here running with 6'9".
yeah, nah, fuck 6'9". The set is real, but it's all the studs. Hey, man. He's really blood.
Yeah.
Blood. Blue blood eye is not blood.
It's just rainy. We don't know what to do. We're just going to Coney Island. It's like closed, but like we're just gonna go. So it's dark.
Basically, I took us somewhere so we could get mugged.
Yeah.
We're just three like weird ass white kids just walking through Brooklyn in the middle of the night. We'll see how that goes. This might turn into an episode of Lost Tapes. Conley Island. Hunter wants us to walk down there.
I want to see the beach.
Lead us down that way. We're like, look at it. We're trying to die. Look at this.
Look at him go.
He's going. All right, bye.
This is the boardwalk. This is the boardwalk. This is the boardwalk right over here. Fucking hobos on the beach. You got some change to spare? And I'll be like, no, I don't. When I really have $230 in my pocket.
What is that on my beach?
Oh my God. Desolate.
Under the boardwalk.
Where we're gonna get shot.
Under the boardwalk.
don't wanna be on this block. Under the boardwalk, where they're selling some rock. Under the boardwalk, or maybe some pot. And we're out here on the Coney Island Pier. We're gonna go between the two brothers. We're gonna have a race across this wild moguls, and we're gonna see who can make it first. Coney on 3. 1, 2, 3, Coney. Folks, that's gonna be a photo finish. Folks, that was too close to call. We're gonna run that back one more time. This time we're gonna throw a little monkey wrench in the game to make it a little more interesting. They're gonna race backwards. All right, on Coney backwards. 1, 2, 3, Enoch.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
No winners in that game because they both cheated. But our main reason of rolling down here to Coney Island, Nathaniel's, just iconic New York food. Chili cheese dog, 5th grade dogs.
Shut up.
Bacon cheese dog. Where are we?
Guido Central.
We're in Brooklyn. Sheepshead Bay.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, free bread.
You know, we've been walking around hitting New York City staples all day, but we missed one. You know, we missed one. We made it. This is the house. We walked in like a mile in just sketchy ass Brooklyn at night to find this place in like
It's not that sketchy.
in the projects in Brooklyn. We're gonna go back to Manhattan now so we don't die.
A hurricane came by. Whoopsie daisy.
You see that? It could always be worse. At least the front windshield was fine. At least now they have an excuse to get rid of that piece of shit Mitsubishi. Who the fuck drives a Mitsubishi these days? Can we just appreciate how lit that apartment is right there?
Dude. They're going crazy right now.
Are they, Hunter?
They're going crazy.
I want to go up there.
What frat you think that is?
It's definitely like. Chill out. No, control yourself.
That tickled a little.
Stop. Control yourself. Charlie, control yourself, please.
Control your gun.
Dude, you almost hit me. That was so dope.
Charlie, we're gonna get
Oh, dude, almost again. You hit my sock. That was sweet. Oh, man, my upper thigh. That was cute. All right, I won't talk about that one.
Oh my fucking.
No, dude, I like it.
Well, we're gonna go get some food or something. You can't. It's bright here.
I'll go wherever.
There's Jenna. There's Max. There's Hunter.
Hi.
Charlie?
I'll go wherever.
Wait, are
we
Charlie?
going?
This is also New York. Dollar pizza.
So far.
6 pizzas out of 5.
That's an improper fraction. All right. Rise and shine, troglodytes. Let's get it. All right, it's 8:30. Now we got to pick up our car from the parking lot, drive it down to Tribeca, right next to De Niro.
I'll be hood forever.
I'm the new Sinatra.
We're gonna go up in the One World Trade Center,
This is the second World Trade Center?
drive over to Weehawken, and do a little drone shot, and then drive home, hopefully before 5.
Wow. Guys, you should be looking out the window. Look, get off your phones. This is so beautiful. New York City, man.
I think we made it. There's a cave inside. I just have a quick question. Why? Dude, look how small the Chrysler Building looks. And the Empire State Building, top of the rock.
It's a big building.
Shout out to Weehawken for actually letting us fly. Manhattan is really beat. They don't let you fly anywhere. And we're heading back. It's been real, New York.
With my 3-6 niggas pulling up in my southern credo. Quick fast.
Ah!
On your ass like John Vito. 'Cause you front
We're here. And we're back. Back in Annapolis. What did we learn? What did we learn about New York? I learned don't drive. Just take the bus. It's cheaper to take the bus. What else did we learn? We also learned
2 things. Dollar slices are freaking fantastic. And number 2, gangsters are pretty cool.
definitely go to New York when it's not raining, preferably. Had a great time with the boys, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.